In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily add a payment method on Temu. I'll walk you through the process of securely linking your credit or debit card to your Temu account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Temu app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the U button at the bottom center. Once you are on this page, scroll down a little bit and tap Settings. So now you will see an option called Your Payment Methods. Just tap on it. Now you have the ability to add a credit or debit card to your Temu account. Simply tap where it says Add a credit or debit card, and then enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can also add a billing address if you haven't already. Once you've added your card details, simply tap on the Add Your Card button at the bottom. And it will do exactly what it says. This is exactly how you can add a payment method on Temu. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.